lemon. Spell me. Lemon, lemon. Hello, I'm strawberry. Spell me. Strawberry, strawberry. Hello, I'm blueberries. Spell me. Blueberries, blueberries. Hello, kiddos, I'm apple. Spell me. Apple, apple. Hello, kiddos, I'm green grapes. Spell me. Green, green grapes. Hello, kiddos, I'm pomegranate. Spell me. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Hello, kiddos, I'm orange. Spell me. Orange. Hello, kiddos, I'm pear. Spell me. Pear. Hello, kiddos, I'm banana. Spell banana.
Hello, kiddos, I'm Litchi. Spell me. Litchi. Hello, kiddos, I'm mango. Spell me. Mango, mango. Hello, kiddos, I'm fig. Spell me. Fig. Hello, kiddos, I'm avocado. Spell me. Avocado, avocado. Hello, kiddos, I'm mulberry. Spell me. Mulberry, mulberry. Hello, kiddos, I'm dragon fruit. Spell me. Dragon, dragon. Hello, kiddos, do you know healthy food is fruit? Now you learn and spell your favorite fruits names in part 5 kids video. Happy, fun, kiddos. Please subscribe for more learning and fun videos. See you in next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.